If someone has throat cancer, stomach cancer, I suggest they do drink the sodium bicarbonate early in the morning and just before they go to bed, because sodium bicarbonate only alkalizes what it touches.
At the beginning of the video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill highlights 3 key elements cancer thrives on. These are: cancer loves acid, cancer also loves no oxygen, and cancer loves sugar. After understanding these factors, she also explains it makes a lot of sense to alkalize the tissues. She further elaborates on her approach and describes how individuals are eagerly seeking help to fight against cancer. Apart from that, she also states, we suggest a diet that is highly alkalizing, and we recommend methods to oxygenate the body. In addition, she emphasizes the significance of greatly eliminating glucose, the sugar entering the body. Finally, it will be advantageous for you to create an environment where cancer strives to survive. In this video, we'll surely uncover the hidden cancer-fighting foods that big pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about. Similarly, it is also shared by Dr. Barbara O'Neill in this video. Now, it will become more convenient for you to discover the surprising truth about everyday foods. These foods have the powerful ability to fight cancer. This way, you will get an idea about the best ways to use them for the perfect transformation of your health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill is a naturopath, nutritionist, and health educator. She completely understands the body's natural ability to heal itself. She has dedicated her whole life to helping others. She taught individuals the exact way to take control of their health. It became possible for her to do this only when she was inspired by her child's miraculous recovery from illness. Through her work, she has assisted a range of individuals through her practical and natural health advice. Dr. O'Neill explains that cancer thrives in an acidic environment. It means that the pH level of your body plays a major role in how cancer develops and spreads. The interesting part is that pH measures how acidic or alkaline something is, on a scale from 0 to 14. Besides, she helped a lot to know that 7 is neutral. Later on, she also brings this thing into notice: when the body's pH falls below 7, it becomes acidic. As an outcome, it creates an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow. On the other hand, when your body's pH is more alkaline, like it is above 7, it becomes much harder for cancer cells to survive and multiply. Apart from that, such an alkaline environment is also supportive of the healthy cellular functions of your body. Well, the thing about joy is that it boosts the immune system, as well as improves overall well-being. So, what can we do about it? Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the high significance of changing our diet. It will surely be helpful to you, making our bodies more alkaline. Now is the best time to scroll down. Let's move ahead and explore the list of cancer-fighting foods recommended by Dr. O'Neill. Finally, you will be able to prevent cancer growth and bring improvement in your health naturally. Dr. Barbara O'Neill highlights the great importance of incorporating cancer-fighting foods into our diet. She explained that we would prefer grains most. On her list are millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, brown rice, and oats. According to O'Neill, these grains are alkaline and gluten-free. It makes them not only nutritious, but also popular. Alkaline grains help individuals maintain a body pH. It makes it difficult for cancer cells to thrive. Additionally, Dr. O'Neill mentions that millet is a delicious grain. Apart from that, quinoa is another great option for breakfast. So, what makes these grains so special? Do you have any ideas about it? Dr. O'Neill explains that their alkaline nature helps create an environment in the body where cancer cells continuously struggle to grow. Research from the American Institute for Cancer Research, AICR, and the World Cancer Research Fund (WCRF) supports this claim. Besides, they also state that consumption of at least 90 grams of whole grains daily can significantly help you in reducing the risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Whole grains contain fiber, which is fundamental for this protective effect. As fiber initiates moving through the digestive system, it binds to harmful substances like carcinogens. This is helpful to you in reducing the harmful impacts on the body. But that's not all. The soluble fiber that is found in these grains also acts as a prebiotic. It feeds the good bacteria in the gut, which is supportive of digestive health and boosts the immune system. A healthy gut reduces inflammation and creates such an environment that cancer cells find inhospitable. Additionally, fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes in glucose that cancer cells entirely rely on to thrive. Dr. O'Neill also points out that gluten itself doesn't cause cancer. Instead, a gluten-free diet can reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation, if unchecked, can contribute to the development of cancer. For this, it plays a vital role in damaging DNA and disrupting normal cellular functions. By consuming these gluten-free, alkaline grains, you're not only fueling your body with essential nutrients, but also reducing inflammation. Apart from that, it will be advantageous for you to support a healthy environment that's less conducive to cancer growth. Furthermore, Dr. O'Neill mentions that legumes like lima beans, lentils, and soy are also excellent cancer-fighting foods. They are versatile, nutritious, and loaded with compounds. This way, it becomes easy for you to actively fight against cancer cells. The AICR notes that regular consumption of legumes can lower the risk of developing cancer. Lima beans, for example, are rich in protease inhibitors. These compounds are known to prevent the formation of cancer cells, particularly in breast and colon cancers. To be precise, grains and legumes are powerful allies in the fight against cancer. They provide essential nutrients and compounds that support overall health. Besides, they also create an environment where cancer cells cannot thrive. Legumes, such as lentils and soy, are packed with powerful nutrients. It is helpful in fighting cancer. One key component is isoflavones, which mimic estrogen in the body by binding to estrogen receptors. Isoflavones, such as genistein and digoxin, are beneficial in lowering the risk of hormone-related cancers like breast cancer. Lentils, in particular, are rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for healthy cell division. A lack of folate has truly been linked to an increased risk of cancers like colon and breast cancer. When lentils and soy are eaten together, these foods also provide fiber. Further, it helps you regulate blood sugar and prevent cancer cells from thriving. They also contain saponins, a compound known to inhibit cancer cell growth. Eating legumes regularly can help prevent breast, prostate, colon, and lung cancers. It can be done successfully by slowing cancer cell growth, triggering cancer cell death, and blocking cancer cells from invading healthy tissues. Additionally, legumes bind to carcinogens, and they also prevent them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Have you found this information helpful? If so, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful videos. Let's continue with more amazing content. Undoubtedly, lemon is abundant in alkaline minerals. These are namely sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. All of these are the very minerals that make lemon highly alkaline. Isn't lemon amazing? Every household should have a lemon tree. According to Dr. O'Neill, lemons are among the foods richest in alkaline minerals. These minerals include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Imagine your body as a finely tuned engine. And the best part is that these alkaline minerals are the vital components that keep everything running smoothly. They play a crucial role in maintaining your body's pH balance. It enables you to make it less conducive for cancer cells to thrive. Here's an interesting fact. Lemons contain more potassium than apples or grapes. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health. Additionally, potassium plays a key role in balancing blood sugar levels. Well, it is crucial for depriving cancer cells of their main fuel, glucose. This is because adequate levels of potassium help the body produce insulin. To be honest, insulin is responsible for regulating blood sugar. Magnesium is also another important mineral found in lemons. It helps the body manage stress. This mineral is important since chronic stress can weaken the immune system and also increase the chances of rise of diseases like cancer. The calcium in lemons not only strengthens bones, but also aids in the absorption of vitamin D. This has entirely been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Here's how it works. Vitamin D helps regulate the cell growth cycle and ensures cells grow, mature, and die in an orderly fashion. In cancer, this process is disrupted. As an outcome, it leads to uncontrolled cell growth. Vitamin D, however, helps maintain proper cell function and also reduces the chances of cancer development. Fun fact: our bodies can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Lemons are also rich in antioxidants like limonene. It is a compound that is found in the peel and juice. Limonene has been studied extensively for its potent cancer-fighting properties. This is because it not only inhibits the spread of cancer cells, but also boosts the effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments. Additionally, its antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage. This is caused by free radicals. As a result, it reduces the risk of cancers such as colon, breast, lung, and stomach cancers. As for how vitamin D is produced, generally, ultraviolet rays from the sun convert a form of cholesterol beneath the skin into vitamin D. This vitamin is vital for calcium absorption and utilization in the body. Limonene, found in lemons, has been shown to prevent the spread of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, cell death, and enhance the effects of conventional cancer therapies. Furthermore, its antioxidant powers help shield the body from free radical damage. Apart from that, it decreases the risk of various cancers. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of alkaline cancer-fighting foods are nuts. She highlights almonds and Brazil nuts as excellent choices. She noted that all seeds have an alkaline effect. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are not only delicious, but also powerful allies in the fight against cancer. So, how do nuts help combat cancer? Their unique blend of nutrients is the key. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and also prevents cancer cells from thriving. Additionally, nuts are loaded with antioxidants that protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Take walnuts, for example. These tasty nuts contain a specific antioxidant called gamma-tocopherol. It has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating just 1 ounce of nuts daily can lower the risk of developing cancer by 15%. The antioxidants found in nuts, such as vitamin E and selenium, help safeguard cells from free radical damage. Meanwhile, the bioactive compounds in nuts, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, exhibit anti-proliferative and anti-inflammatory properties. This way, it makes it difficult for cancer cells to multiply and spread. One of the primary components of nuts is omega-3 fatty acids. These are particularly abundant in walnuts. The interesting thing is that it has shown significant promise in cancer prevention and treatment. Omega-3s help fight cancer. Mainly, it reduces inflammation, a key factor in the development of many cancers. Lowering inflammation is a crucial part of cancer prevention. Omega-3s play an essential role by converting into anti-inflammatory compounds called resolvins and proteins. These are helpful in controlling inflammation within the body. But that's not all. Omega-3s also have the remarkable ability to inhibit cancer cell growth. They activate specific proteins known as peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, PPARs. It suppresses the development of cancer cells and encourages their death. Another powerful cancer-fighting food on Dr. Barbara's list is dark leafy greens. These nutrient-packed veggies, like kale, parsley, collard greens, spinach, and silver beet, are highly alkaline. It is a must for you to eat every day. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. They aid in digestion and reduce the risk of constipation and diverticulitis. In short, these conditions are associated with a higher risk of colorectal cancer. But there are more interesting facts about leafy greens. They are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and E and beta-carotene. It helps you in guarding cells against damage caused by free radicals, reducing cancer risk. Leafy greens, such as kale, are also abundant in glucosinolates. These compounds are shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. Here's a fun fact. Kale contains a flavonoid called kaempferol. It is linked to a reduced risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Similarly, parsley is often seen as a simple garnish. It is rich in a compound called apigenin. The main thing to be aware of is that it is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Parsley also contains myricetin, another compound with strong anti-cancer effects. Next up are collard greens. These nutrient-dense leaves are packed with antioxidants like quercetin and beta-carotene. They are helpful in protecting cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Collard greens are also rich in glucoraphanin. It is a compound that supports the body's detoxification processes. Apart from that, it is also helpful in eliminating potential carcinogens. Spinach is another leafy green to consider, as it is an excellent source of alpha-lipoic acid. It is all because it is a powerful antioxidant that is beneficial for reducing inflammation and hinders cancer cell growth. Spinach is also high in folate, a B vitamin essential for healthy cell division. Additionally, it is supportive of cancer prevention. Now that you're aware of these 5 cancer-fighting foods that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about, so it's time to take action. Incorporate at least one of these powerful foods into your daily diet. If you have any existing health conditions or are taking medication, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider. The concerned person will enable you to determine the right amount of these foods for your specific situation. Are you curious to know every little detail regarding the powerful cancer-destroying products? Well, it's a golden opportunity for you to familiarize yourself with it. In this video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill shares her knowledge with all beings. Products ranging from nutrient-rich grains and legumes to refreshing lemons and dark, leafy greens, she has provided us with the proper details. Now you can know how these natural products can create an environment in your body. It helps prevent cancer cells from growing and spreading. Apart from that, Dr. O'Neill also highlights how to eat the right foods, packed with essential minerals and antioxidants. This way, you can improve your immune system and also promote overall health. Let's have a glance at the details about all the cancer-destroying products and make them key allies in the fight against cancer. To be honest, cancer-fighting foods explained in the video have been shown to play a significant role in minimizing the cancer risk. It is also helpful in supporting the ability of your body to combat the disease. These foods are rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds. They can hinder the growth and spread of cancer cells. Here is a complete list of cancer-fighting products with detailed explanations. Once you have an in-depth look at these products, you will be able to focus on their individual properties and the way how they contribute to your body's natural defenses against cancer. Grains: millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, cot, brown rice, and oats. Whole grains include millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, cot, brown rice, and oats. They are packed with nutrients and fiber. It makes them excellent in the fight against cancer. These grains are known for their alkaline properties. This way, you will be able to take advantage of the way to balance the pH of your body and create an environment that is less hospitable to cancer cells. Millet. Millet is rich in fiber and antioxidants. It has properties that enable you to remove toxins from the body. Apart from that, you can also reduce inflammation, as well as lower the risk of colon cancer. Quinoa. Well, quinoa is a complete protein. It is also a great source of flavonoids, including quercetin. It is known to have anti-cancer effects. The high fiber content that it has is helpful in detoxification and reducing the risk of cancer. Finally, you can reduce the risk of cancer, especially in the digestive system. Amaranth. Simply put, amaranth comprises peptides and antioxidants. They can help you in protecting cells from oxidative stress. Along with this, it also contributes to cancer development. Its anti-inflammatory properties help lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Spelt. This ancient grain is rich in manganese, fiber, and magnesium. It assists you in protecting your body from cancer, reducing inflammation, and also improving cellular function. Cot and brown rice. Both these grains are rich in selenium. They have been linked to reducing the risk of certain cancers, specifically colon cancer. The fiber that these grains comprise also helps in digestion. It enables you to bind to carcinogens and also flushes them out of the body. Oats. Oats are perfectly rich in beta-glucan. It is a type of soluble fiber that assists you in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and supporting the immune system. Their high antioxidant content enables you to prevent cellular damage. Finally, you can be able to reduce the risk of several types of cancer: lima beans, lentils, and soy. Lima beans, lentils, and soy are included in the list of legumes. They have been mentioned as the most powerful cancer-fighting products. It is all because of the high fiber content and richness of nutrients in the legumes. Lima beans. Lima beans are packed with fiber. It helps you detoxify the body. Now you can easily bind with harmful substances in the gut. The fiber starts moving these carcinogens out of the body. It reduces their potential to cause harm. In addition to this, lime beans contain protease inhibitors. This way, you can easily visualize the growth of cancer cells and prevent them from multiplying. Lentils. Particularly, lentils are rich in folate, a B vitamin that is essential for healthy cell division. As per the studies, folate deficiency is linked to an increased risk of cancers, including colon and breast cancer. Lentils also include a significant amount of fiber. It has been ideally linked to a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. Soy. Soy comprises isoflavones, a group of plant-based compounds that resemble estrogen. Isoflavones, namely genistein and digoxin. They have been described to lower the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers such as breast and prostate cancer. Isoflavones can bind to estrogen receptors, and it is hoped that they will potentially block the harmful effects of hormones. Isoflavones. Isoflavones are one of the naturally occurring compounds. It is found in soy products and other legumes. Their structure is the same as estrogen. Along with this, they are also known to have a positive effect in minimizing the risk of hormone-related cancers. Anti-estrogen effect. Isoflavones assist in balancing the estrogen levels of the body. For this, it takes assistance from estrogen receptors. This action can help you reduce the risks of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. These are driven by high levels of estrogen. Anti-inflammatory properties. It is true that inflammation is a key driver of cancer. The best part is that isoflavones help in reducing inflammation. Apart from that, it assists you in lowering the chances of cell growth and proliferation. Legumes. Legumes, namely beans, peas, and chickpeas, are not merely rich in protein, but also in dietary fiber. It is truly an important component in cancer prevention. Their high fiber content assists in regulating bowel movements and prevents constipation. It is a risk factor for colorectal cancer. Saponins. Saponins are compounds that are found in legumes. They have been found to help you inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Saponins prevent cancer cells from replicating and cause cancer cells to die. It helps you to reduce the risk of cancer development. Phytoestrogens. No doubt, legumes are also rich in phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds. They mimic estrogen and may assist in lowering the risk of hormone-dependent cancers such as breast cancer. Lemon. Lemon is really the highest alkaline fruit. It is also packed with antioxidants that are supportive of the immune system of the body. Besides, you can easily fight against cancer cells. Alkaline minerals. Simply put, lemon contains a high level of alkaline minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals assist you in maintaining the pH balance of the body. This way, it becomes harder for cancer cells to survive because they thrive in acidic environments. Limonene. Limonene is a compound that is found in lemons, especially in the peel. It has been studied for its cancer-fighting properties. It assists you in detoxifying carcinogens. There is also a possibility that it may induce cancer cell death, apoptosis. In short, this is the most powerful tool that helps you in preventing cancers such as breast, colon, and lung cancers. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Nuts are the most excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. It makes them valuable in cancer prevention. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. It is a potent antioxidant that safeguards cells from oxidative stress. Studies have linked regular almond consumption to a reduced risk of cancers, namely colon and breast cancer. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. It has been shown to minimize inflammation in the body. Omega-3s can help you prevent cancer. For this, you have to reduce chronic inflammation. It often leads to cancer development. Pistachios. Pistachios comprise compounds such as gamma-tocopherol. It is a type of vitamin E that has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, specifically lung cancer. Flavonoids and phenolic acids. Flavonoids and phenolic acids are really the most powerful plant-based compounds. It is found in many fruits, vegetables, and grains. These compounds are well known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Both are certainly critical in cancer prevention. Anti-proliferative effects. Flavonoids and phenolic acids can inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells. This way, it becomes harder for tumors to grow and spread. Anti-inflammatory action. By minimizing inflammation, these compounds create a less favorable environment for cancer cells. This way, you can develop and lower the risk of cancer progression. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats. They have been widely studied for their anti-cancer properties. You can find them abundantly in walnuts, flax seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation has been linked to cancer development and omega-3 fatty acids. They have strong anti-inflammatory effects. They convert into anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps you reduce inflammation in the body, which can lower the risk of cancer. Cancer cell growth. Inhibition. Omega-3s can also inhibit cancer cell growth. For this, it has to activate proteins like peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, PPARs. It suppresses tumor formation and promotes the death of cancer cells. Dark green leafy vegetables. Dark green leafy vegetables include kale, spinach, parsley, and collard greens. They are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. It makes them potent cancer fighters. Rich in antioxidants. These vegetables are completely loaded with antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. It helps you neutralize free radicals and also prevents cell damage that could lead to cancer. Glucosinolates. Leafy greens such as kale have glucosinolate compounds. It helps you in detoxifying the body and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. These compounds are particularly effective against cancers of the digestive system. Kale, parsley, collard greens, and spinach. These dark leafy greens are well-recognized cancer-fighting products. They have extraordinary properties due to the plenty of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that it has. Kale. Kale is high in fiber as well as glucosinolates. Both are well known for protecting you against cancer, promoting detoxification and preventing the formation of cancer cells. In addition to this, kale is a flavonoid that is called kaempferol. It has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Parsley. Parsley contains apigenin, a flavonoid that has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and reduce the spread of cancer. Collard greens. Collard greens are rich in glucoraphanin. It is a compound that aids in detoxification procedures. This compound helps you in eliminating carcinogens that will potentially reduce the risk of cancer. Spinach. Last but not least, spinach is high in folate and alpha-lipoic acid. Both are helpful in protecting cells from oxidative stress and promoting healthy cell division. Folate is specifically significant in securing DNA damage. It can lead to cancer. In a nutshell, once you incorporate cancer-fighting foods into your diet, it can significantly reduce the risk of cancer and bring improvements in your overall health. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips. Share this video with others so they can also benefit from this knowledge. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.